So at this point, you guys should be, you should have signed up for your UTEID. You should have gotten enrolled in your Quest class. If you have not, check out the directions on Google Classroom or the other Quest videos as we've gotten those up. So remember, to get to Quest, it's quest.cns.utexas.edu. But if you Google UT Quest, so if you just can't remember and you Google UT Quest, look, it's the first thing that shows up. So this is your Quest landing page. Make sure you pick Students Log into Quest. You're going to sign in with your UTE ID. Remember, you should have gotten that saved to your account. Save it on your phone someplace. You could put it in that handout classroom. So you've got logged in. So now I have a lot more classes than you have. If you're in chemistry, you'll click SHS Chemistry. If you're in advanced, you'll click Chemistry Advanced. You'll only have one of those on your class. So we're getting to chemistry. And so you're going to scroll down, and here are all your assignments. So you've got all the units we're going to have. They don't have any assignments yet. You only see the stuff we've had assignments for. The plan for this year is we're going to move stuff to the top if it's the current unit. So right now you're working on 1-3 density calculations. So you click on the assignment. So this is the default view. So you're going to see you've got your problems here, and then you've got all the places to enter. Make sure you're entering in the correct line. This page can actually be printed. So if you have questionable internet at home, you can go to the library and you can print this page. You just click print, and it'll give you a PDF copy that you can print. We can't print it, everybody's in class, but the library will let you print things. All right, so this first question: what is the density of a block of marble that occupies 399 centimeters cubed and has a mass of 825 grams? Use a calculator. I'm using the screen calculator. So in this case, our remember, density is mass divided by volume. So you got 825 divided by 399 equals, when in doubt, round to 2 decimal places. If you get a really small answer, you might want to leave a little bit more. The 5% is just the amount of error you're allowed. We tried to be a little more generous just so you don't have weird issues getting stuff done. So let's say, for the sake of argument, I just decide to enter 2. You always hit the submit button, and that'll tell you if you're right or not. See, be careful with that, because 2 won't always work. If you're not sure whether you've tried an answer, click here. If this version is a little overwhelming to you, click the slides view. I like the slides view better, because the slides view will show you one question and where you can answer that question. So we already answered question 1, question 2. So what is the density if you've got a mass of 79 and it occupies 20.7? Keep in mind, your numbers are going to be different. There's at least 100 variations on everything. They're in the same order for regular folks. So again, we know that density is mass divided by volume. So mass divided by volume. Please, when in doubt, go to 2 decimal places. So here, I will show you what it looks like if you get it wrong. So let's just say we're going to round to 3, because I know 3 is going to be wrong. So if I just put 3 for that answer, it tells me it's wrong, but it tells me that I've tried it already. So 3.8, let's see, what's it, 8.1 or 8.2? Should actually be 3.82. Submit. See, so I got that one correct. And you actually still get 10 whole points for that. If it takes you another try after that, it starts taking off a fraction of the point. There is no submit button at the end. You submit each of your questions individually. If you click over here, you can see what you've submitted. So we answered question 1 and got 10 points. We answered question 2 and got 10 points. It'll tell you how you're doing so far. If you, like I said, if you get it wrong more than once, it'll start taking off a fraction of a point. But there's also some extra credit on this one. There's no overall submit button. Submit each of your questions. I'll see whatever you've gotten done. All right. If you run into any other issues, please let your teacher know if you've got any questions.